This is Saugeen Times on Wednesday, October 23rd, 2019, and we're out capturing a little bit of weather. We are along the Lake Shore Road, just outside of Port Elgin, and oh my goodness, is Lady Lake Huron ever rolling? The waves are coming right up over the multi-use trail that runs along the lake here. It's very, very windy, and it's about, I don't know, 10 degrees, so not very warm either. But holy cow, look at Lake Huron. Oh, the sun's coming out. That's something new. Once again, this is Saugeen Times, and we thought we'd do a little capturing your weather on Wednesday, October the 23rd. (2019). Oh my goodness, what a force of nature.